guys, it is officially day 2 in Singapore. It's technically my first full day, but I did arrive yesterday at exactly noon, as in like I touched down at exactly, well, 11:55 might be technical. Why is this all zoomed up in my face? There we go, that's more like it. But yeah, so got here, I settled in, I moved in. I live in a single. At first I was kind of like, oh my gosh, why did I pick a single? Like, you know, I could have still had a single and had some roommates, but then nah, I'm happy about my single. But it's a cute little room. Like okay, so that's like my closet, my hat, that's my desk. My desk's a little messy right now because I have like my camera on there. I have like my camera, Polaroid and stuff, and like I'm still trying to figure out like my internet cable, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Yeah, but like for the most part, this is my favorite part of my room because look, this is basically a tour. National University of Singapore, Tembusu College. If you ever have a single in Tembusu, this is probably what it looks like.
Look it like preach.
Ooh, here, get one. Ooh, here, what? Ooh, here, get one. Yeah. Ooh, here, get one. Ooh, here, what? Ooh, here, get one.
Look it like preach.
Ooh, here, get one. Ooh, here, what? Ooh, here, get one. Yeah. Ooh, here, get one. Ooh, here, what? Ooh, here, get one.
Look it like preach.
So right here we have like my skincare. A lot of those products are from Urban Skin RX, so sponsor me. Wear these shoes today, these ones, because we have because I have orientation, and then after orientation probably gonna hit the town. But yeah, oh my gosh, you guys, I look like a grown woman. I look so grown, I don't lie. Okay, one thing I hate about traveling is like I always have to debate, what camera do we bring today, goddess? Do we bring the big camera? We're not bringing the big camera today though. We're just gonna bring my Polaroid and this small camera. And like, yeah, that's all we're gonna bring. But yeah, ciao guys. I wish I could do like a sit down video, but I have to go meet Julia and go to breakfast and then orientation, so. You guys, oh my gosh, I am so happy right now. Okay, so this is what I've been doing all day basically. Went to Chinatown and exchanged some money. I brought a little bit of cash with me, and mostly to use, I'm vlogging, mostly to use when I go to other countries because like the dollars are worth more. And then we came to Chinatown, exchanged a little bit of money, and then got this, my first bubble tea in Singapore. It's from Koi. I personally I didn't like my drink. It was too sweet. Okay. It was too sweet, and the bubbles are not the kind. I don't like the consistency of this bubbles. It's like,
it's more like jelly.
Yeah, it's like a little like rough on the jelly. So I'm gonna try other bubble teas. So we came to Daiso and like I got a few stuff, like, so basically I needed like hangers, like a little caddy for the shower, a bath rug because my floor is not carpeted, so I really don't like that. So every time I step out the shower, it's like, you know, so I had to do that. And then I checked my bank account and it's looking healthy. My money finally hit, so I finally just got my money like that. I'm gonna use study abroad because I was waiting for it because I got a new bank account. Like there's no foreign transaction fees, and so it finally hit my bank account. Now I was feeling so broke, you guys. I was just feeling so broke, and now I feel not broke. Like I couldn't
buy breakfast. That's how broke I was.
And she was literally fighting me to give her 2 Singaporean dollars. It's 2 Singapore dollars. She was literally fighting me, and this girl is so nice. But anyway, hopefully she's more, you know, accepting of my niceness. But now we're gonna go to IKEA because your girl doesn't even have a pillow to lay her head.
There's some pillows here, but they're not super nice.
They're not, no, I need like a good pillow because that bed, I might even get a mattress topper. I don't think I could do the bed.
That bed is
It's like
it's very bad.
dumb hard, you guys. But anyway, we're gonna take a Uber. Well, it's not called Uber here, it's called Grab. So download the app if you're ever in Southeast Asia. It's called Grab, not Uber, to IKEA. So see y'all. Just came back from shopping. Okay, no, at the IKEA store because your girl has no pillow. So I got a nice little pillow right here. A rug because I don't like tile floors. I wish I had a carpet floor, but I got a rug. So nice. Well, it's not so nice, but I got it from Daiso. Just says, welcome to my house. My little house. And I got some hangers so I can finally hang up my clothes. I got a little makeup thing. I usually have one back at school, but I didn't bring it because I got a little shower caddy or make-believe shower caddy. Got some detergent. Can't really read it, but I hope it's good detergent. I got an umbrella because I didn't bring mine. Oh, there was a mini so too, so I was able to get this cute wait. It's like it says Miniso Life, but it's like this little cute wallet pouch that I'm gonna attach this, like, my keys to. Oh my gosh, did I get a ring thing? I hope I did. Oh, did I get it? I don't think I got it. Wait a minute. And I got this little wiper thing that I'm gonna no, my floor gets dirty often because it's not carpeted. Let me turn the light. Oh, I just don't want it to be hot in here. But yeah, I'm gonna organize all of this and then eventually come and organize this too. And yeah, I'm gonna shut up now.